This is a Mini Cooper S. Hi, I'm Darren at Pristine Details, and I've just carried out a deep clean on this lovely Mini Cooper S. We've dressed this green mouldy roof back to factory fresh. We've re-dyed all the plastic trims all the way along the outside exterior of the vehicle. Headlights we've restored, better than new. Paintwork has been decontaminated, protected. Interior, all the cloth has been wet vacuumed. We've steam cleaned every nook and cranny. The leather has been treated. That smells. So, if you like your car looking like this, back to factory fresh new, why not message me? I'll get back to you ASAP and get you booked in, get your car looking like this.